Folks, we've arrived. Finally, we made it. It's a week and a half about in at the end of May before June, and well, you can see in the back of me the trees are starting to bud. I didn't see my little buddy yet. I don't know. We have lots of time to find her. Right now, hang on, just show you around. See, that's the road we came in, and see, that's the road out, and that's the road in. Yeah, they cleared the hydro, cleared that down there last year. So we're going downstairs. See, right there downstairs. See where the bucket is there? Right there. And we'll pick it up down there. We'll try this is the 11th year on the same battery on the tractor, so we're gonna try that and see what that does. So you hang in there, I'll bring you back when it's time. Okay, folks, you're gonna have to bear with me there. I have a battery maintainer on this. I'll be taking that off. This is the first start of the 11th year. So just to say, we're running on free time here. We're crossing our fingers, and I'm touching wood right now. And we hope she starts. She's always started, so hey, does that seem like a mechanical how would you say that, diagnostic? She's always started, so I don't see why she wouldn't. Hey, hang on. You have to, my big belly. Squeeze through here. I gotta close the hood. Yeah, remember I had fixed this? Well, it's still fixed. One day I'm gonna show you that. Yeah, we're not as skinny as we used to be, eh? Okay, there's two pins. There's just I don't know what they call that. They call that a bush grill. Whoa, what's that? A bush grill. That's when you go in the bush, you don't break all the grill. That's hang on. What is that? Something moving in the back. I can see it now. Yeah, you gotta put the wrench pins in. There it is. And another one. Okay. You guys got your fingers crossed now? Where's the keys? Up there. You John Deere keys. Subdued lighting. Okay. Cross your fingers. Okay. I'm gonna give it, I think, it's not too cold right now. I'm gonna give it 10 seconds of, there, that's on. Preheater, that's a preheating element in the, where it sucks the air. Okay, here we go. Never failed me yet. can't forget to put my pins on the bucket here. You can see it pretty good from there. See these? One time I had the pontoon out. It was going down to the lake. I had forgotten to put these pins in, eh? So the bucket was holding just by these things here at the top. Eh? Then one let go. So the pontoon was hanging on just by one. Hang on, I'm gonna lift this a little bit. He's kind of shaky there, eh? So that's it, folks. Started another year. I can't forget while I'm here. I looked at it, eh? I want to make a video of the frame support, or I don't know, frame reinforcement that I have, because I have the back. Well, I'll tell the whole story once I get to it. Okay, well, first things first, I want to take this pontoon out of here. You seen it last year, so I won't bother putting it in here again. So hang in there, I got more videos to make. I'm at the camp. I'm real happy to be at the camp. Unbelievable. Okay, folks, for now, well, you can subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll have a little bit more videos of the camp now that we can come up here. But we still got some work to do at home too. So okay, so subscribe, and those that want to put comment, well, you have to register with YouTube, and then you can subscribe to the channel. Then you can put comments, and I try and answer them, non-generic answers. Sometimes I do better, and sometimes I do worse, depending on how much time I have. So okay, salute, Giselle, and we'll see you in the next one.